Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your who is coming towards you next in your love life, Libras. Yes, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Also, friends, please do subscribe, like, and share our channel, friends. Please do subscribe. I know many people watch but don't subscribe, so please do subscribe. We work very hard. It means a lot to me, and thank you so much if you have already subscribed. Many angel blessings to you, friends. These are general readings. They may resonate or they may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, these are timeless readings. Whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way, and you can join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Also, friends, let's see. First, Libra, we are going to see who your overall energy. Then we are going to see who is coming next for you. Overall energies for Libra. Angels, overall energies for Libras. Finally, you have, wow, oh my god, the Devil and the Three of Swords. Overall energies for Libras. The Page of Swords, that's you. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Libra, that's your card. Angels, why the Three of Swords is there? Wow. Libra, I feel like you are feeling like heartbroken or very anxious or worried in some way. You may be feeling like things are not going your way, or there is some sort of a heartache and your heart is blocked or something like that. I feel like, you are beating yourself up, Libra, because someone hurted you or put you in a third party, but you could have walked out of it, or you could have trusted your intuition, but you didn't. Or, there is this thing about if you feel something is not going right, it may be true. It may be true, Libras. I feel like you are trying to figure out why something happened, why someone ghosted you. Were they loyal? Were they just playing with you? Whatever you feel, Libra, is right. If your intuition is telling you something, you are right. There is this devil's energy, so someone may have been toxic to you, or some connection right now is toxic to you. It could be a family member, because we are all in lockdowns right now when I'm shooting this thing, or it could be a twin flame connection, or some soulmate connection, or some person or friend who is trying to be toxic to you, and you might need to maintain some distance, some social distancing from them, as we say now. You have to socially distance yourself, and I think it's a good thing. There might be a lot of, you might be feeling anxious, Libras, but your intuition is spot on now. You're growing spiritually. Let's see who is coming towards Libras next. Who is coming towards Libras in love, angels? Who is coming towards Libras in love? Who is coming towards Libras? Wow, the Ten of Cups, the Four of Wands. Oh my god, this is a twin flame. This is a marriage coming your way. The Sun, divine masculine, divine feminine. You could be feeling a lot of a person is stuck in your mind. You keep thinking about this person. It could be you are getting like repeated signs, dreams, messages, telepathic communications. Who is coming towards Libra's angels, and I feel so much peace in your energy, Libra. Even though I feel you are worried, but there is this sense of peace, like, yeah, you have accepted. There is this sense of deep oceans in you right now, because I have been doing the readings for all signs. Leos were so full of energy. Geminis were like, ooh, they're bubbling with energy also right now, and Aquarius were also going all the way with their energy, too much energy. You are really grounded, Libras. Two of Wands. Who is coming towards Libra in love? Ace of Swords, new beginnings. Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Queen of Rods, Queen of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Swords. Definitely, friends, you have the Ten of Cups and the Ten of you have all the tens here, the Ten of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands, the Sun, and the Seven of Swords, Two of Wands, Ace of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Swords, and the Queen of Rods. I feel definitely a very strong connection is coming towards you. Someone who wants to commit to you, someone who wants to give you this happiness, someone who has hurted you in the past, or maybe it is a new connection for some of you. I feel 50-50 for some of 50% of you, it is your twin flame coming back, or a marriage or something like that. For 50% of you, it is a twin flame, definitely, who wants to get married to you, or you were once married to your twin flame. I don't know. I feel like, yeah, maybe you were married to them, or you wanted to get married. There was this talk of marriage, or it will happen now ahead. Talks about marriage, commitment. For other 50% of you, this is a new partnership coming towards you, Libras. This is the epic relationship you are waiting for. It is loving, it is nurturing, it is full of happiness. Maybe you are family friends, your families know each other. I feel there is definitely a twin flame connection, or if you don't know your twin flame, they are coming towards you. I also feel that there is you need to maintain some space in this connection or with this person if they are your twin flame, because you both are very strong, and a lot of communications and stability is going to come. This I think you are working on healing your heart, or this heartache from in this relationship, Libra. I feel this person wants to come back again to you and tell you you are the son of their life, or a new beginning is going to come in your relationship, Libras. They are definitely your divine masculine or feminine. I feel they have ghosted you, hurted you, lied to you, but they still want to bring you this positivity and this new start. And they were immature in the past. I feel they are a workaholic, your twin flame, or your lover, or someone you are asking about, or whoever is this person who is coming towards you. I feel this person is a workaholic. They take too much responsibilities, and then they ignore other things like you, family. They had been stupid in the past, but now they are coming with a new sense of conviction, a new sense of maturity, and they want a new start with you, and a very, very strong new start. I feel some of you could have already been married to this person, or have talked about long term commitment, marriage. I feel if you were married and separated, this person is trying to, they still feel very possessive about you, or they will talk about, how it was to be with you, and that was the best time of their life. I feel some sort of a breakthrough is coming in your love life, and this person who has ghosted you or blocked you, or you have blocked, Libras, this person is secretly watching you. They are stalking your social media. I think they are using their friends to stalk your social media. If you have blocked this person is very obsessive and possessive about you, because we have the devil's energy. This person doesn't want to share you with others. Maybe that is an issue that hurted you. Like, Libras are very fair. They want through they have a lot of friends, and they are very good hearted people. It's not like they cheat when they talk to others. But this person is like, no, I just want you to be talking to only me, and that might have caused problems, or it will cause problems. But I feel you will eventually find a breakthrough in this situation, and definitely you are going to come out very powerful, Libras. So you could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You could be same sun signs, or you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, Libras. That's what is coming. Let's see any other advice for Libra. Any other advice for their love life for Libras? Okay, these cards want to come out. Throat chakra. find balance. Definitely, this is a twin flame connection, a very strong connection, and I think there is a lot of heartache and things which are not yet said, because you also want to say something, they also want to say something, this person, especially if you know them and things have happened. Someone needs to, and also there is a lot of telepathic communication happening. So they want to communicate something and they want to bring the situation in balance with you. Any other advice for Libras? Well deserved reward. Yeah, this relationship or a new relationship coming towards you is your reward. You have worked very, very hard, Libras. You are very hardworking and you have earned it. This new beginning, this new start, this 10 of cups of happiness, this 10 of pentacles, you deserve it. You deserve even more, Libras. The wheel is here. Indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. I feel you are very angry about this person, that they keep coming in and out of your life whenever they want, and you feel this is toxic for you in some way. Your twin flame, they come, they go, they want you, they have certain rules for you, or this new person has certain rules for you, like don't go out, don't do this, don't do that, don't talk to them. They want you here, but they do whatever they like. So you may feel like things are not going right. There is also a wheel here and a wheel here for Libras. Okay, that went down. Okay, star, guaranteed success. So your wishes are coming true, Libras. Absolutely well-deserved reward. Your star is shining high, shining bright. 1 second, I'll pick up the card. Card that fell off the table is love. So yeah, definitely friends, love is coming your way and you have deserved it. This is your well-deserved reward, and this is like a wish coming true for you. This is your success guaranteed, Libras. And Mountain Road, you're on the road to success. Absolutely, Libras. There cannot be a more perfect reading than this. Please do subscribe, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website, www.magiccoinstarot. Visit our Instagram for more daily readings and post and messages. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.